Hey everyone, this is Seth with the Detail Doc, ceramic coating specialist. Just want to take you in here to show you this 2018 Indian Cheiftain. This beautiful custom silver paint job. We did our 9-year ceramic coating on all the painted surfaces. We coated all the chrome, polished all the chrome, coated the chrome, cleaned, and we put a coating on the leather too. Keep that nice satin finish, protect it from the sun. Check out that amazing shine. The coating is going to make it easier to maintain, easier to wash, protect it from UV chemicals, bug etchings, bird poop etchings. Preserve the surfaces and keep them looking newer for longer. If you guys would be interested in having your bike detailed, coated, vehicles ceramic coated, make sure to message me. Give me a call at 989-244-0505. Visit my website, www.thedetaildoc.co. I'd be happy to help you guys out. Thank you guys for watching.